Hello trader, welcome once again to Forex Trade 1. So today's video is mainly focused on our hedging strategy. So how you can implement hedging strategy without making any losses, or rather would say that at the end of the execution, this hedging strategy execution, you will make the profit. So this strategy we have implemented using our 20-in-1 indicator. And using our this supply and demand indicator. So what we have done actually, how this strategy is implemented and how you can use it manually, we will explain. But if you do not want to do it manually, you can ask for this strategy. We will explain how it's set up. If you use our premium service, we will give you 1 pair. If you use our platinum service, we will give you 2 pairs. And if you use our rhodium service, we can give you a complete setup, including standalone US oil signal setup. And you do not have to do anything. You do not have to apply any logic. You just follow our rules, you just follow our setup, and you will make profit consistently. So now we will understand that how this strategy actually works. So as you already know that we always sell Euro USD against sell USDX, which we have already indicated here. Sell Euro USD and sell USDX, which is our first hedging pair. So now as you can see, this is Euro USD chart and this is USDX chart. Now what we have done here, when USDX was trading near 93.2, which you can see here, Euro was trading near this level, which you can see 1.17 near. So what we did, we sell USDX with 0.2 loss. You can see here with 0.2 point loss, and here we kept 20 pip SL and we sell Euro USD. Now as you can see from the chart, what actually happened here, our 20 pip SL is hit. So we booked the loss and we exited the position. But in USDX, as you can see, from 93.2 to straight away 92.2, so direct 1.0 point of full 1 point gain. So you can see against the 20 pip of loss, we booked 100 pips of gain in USDX. So this is a very plain and simple logic. What we did, we used this resistance level, we sell. When we sell USDX, to protect our capital, we sell Euro USD. So this is how we follow our strategy, and this is how we follow our, and still and here you can see, here we exited because you can see here already support level has come, and here you can see resistance level has come. So here we have opened a new position from 1.189, you can see here, and already this position is in profit. Here in USDX our loss is 0.2, here our loss is 20 pips. But if this falls, you will see the gain. If this goes down, you will see the gain. So this is how this Euro USD against USDX works. Now we will see the different second pair. So now we will see GBP USD against gold. So now again, as you can see from the chart, in GBP USD, our entry was from here. You can see from here, as this was our support level. From here our sell entry in GBP was somewhat here. Now 20 pip loss, and here 5 point SL. So here 20 pip of SL, here 5 point of SL. Now what you see here, we hit the SL hit, and here you can see the gain 30 points, 30 points of gain, right from 1870 to 1900. So against the 20 pips of SL, we made 300 pips of gain, which is 30 points equal to 300 pips in GBP. So you can say against the 20 pip of loss, we made 300 pips of gain in XAUSD without any fear. Why no fear? Why? Because here we had bought gold, against that we had sold GBP USD. So if this would have given the loss, this would have given the profit. So what we are doing, basically we are using our supply and demand, support and resistance indicator to buy and sell, and we are protecting our capital using the hedging. Now we will see the third pair. Buy USD CAD against buy AUD USD. Here you can see in USD CAD and AUD USD. In AUD USD, you can see our entry was here. In both the pair, our SL is 20 pips. And if you take, our entry was here in the buy with 20 pip of SL. Now you can see the gain in AUD USD right from our supply zone, right from our support level 7220 to 7.7330, almost 100 pips of gain, almost 100 pips of gain against the loss of 20 pips, just 20 pips loss. Now what happened here? You can see here we exited, okay, and here we took the new entry. As you can see, the supply zone has already begun, 1.3060, you can see here, and right now this profit is already running against the 20 pip SL of AUD USD. So what basically you can do, you do not have to apply anything, you just have to follow our supply and demand 20 in 1 indicator, and you can buy and sell using the hedging strategy. Hedging will keep your capital safe. It will not, if one goes into the loss, the other will give you the profit, but the one which gives the profit, it will give you the long profit. So this is how basically hedging strategy works. This is very simple, very easy, you can apply, you can just, you do not have to do anything, just give your 5 minutes and you can do this. We have a complete automized setup based on your chosen plan. We will give you the setup. You have 3 options: premium, platinum and rhodium. If you buy rhodium, you will get all this complete setup in your MT4 terminal. Now we will see that we have how many proofs we have of this hedging strategy. So here you can see here you can see this is our YouTube channel, Forex Trade 1, and you can see these are all the basically all the videos that are based on hedging strategy. So you can see, you can follow each and every video, and you will see all this links in descriptions. When we upload this video, you will see all this proof. These are the hedging strategy that we prepare on a weekly basis. So you will find, this is our hedging strategy. So you will find these 3 options: Euro USD against USDX, GBP against gold, and AUD USD against USD CAD. And this is the all these blocks. This one more block, that how our hedging strategy actually is implemented with 1000 USD. So what we have basically done here, if you put 1000 USD capital and if you trade using our strategy, you will end up always in profit. So this is the complete mathematical and statistical explanation is given. Lot size, you can see lot size also we have given, pip value including lot size. So as you know that all of our explanation are based on mathematics and statistics. So this hedging strategy we have explained through mathematics and statistics. So you will find that how much profit you can gain using this strategy, that complete explanation is given. The same link you will find in the description below. This is our trend trading, where you will find that how we use our hedging using the trend trading. So these are the again CAD against AUD, GBP against XAU, Euro against USDX. So if you click here date wise, you will see the options, and you can see these options, and you can click how many times the levels got activated, and what what amount of the profit, the movement you can see here. These are the profit that you have gained, and these are the pips that you have gained. And for entry exit, you can see here, you can click here, and you will see the Twitter proof, Telegram proof, you can see. So basically we have 4 layer of confirmation. You can see the chart, I will show you. You can see the chart, you can see the video, you can see the entry proof, you can see the exit proof. Everything is live, so you will not find such kind of work. And since 4 years we have been uploading this, we have been updating this, each and every record you will find without any error. If you click here, again it will show you all our weekly chart. If you click here, you can see all this weekly chart. Euro USD H6, October 20 week 4. So basically October week 3. So this is a complete setup that you will find. And this is our level trading. Here also we have explained hedging. Why? Because hedging strategy is used with level trading. What you see in 20 in 1 indicator, supply and demand indicator. So this complete hedging strategy is explained using our level trading, and lot size, risk, reward, everything is explained in here, and you will find the link for the same below the description. So now I will just click on one random. So you can see Euro USD at this entry at 1.16 for 20 to 40. It was traded during this date, and again you can see chart proof, you can see video proof, you can see entry proof, you can see exit proof. The same way you can click here and you can see so these are the pop-up, and all the information you will find here. If you click here, you will find all the information. So each and everything is related with one performance is related with the other, and you will find that how you can correlate one performance with the other. So each performance is given with the proof, some kind of proof, and these are our again trend chart. So you will find complete setup date wise. So you have option to correlate our performance with one link to other. So each performance has a somewhat correlating links. So this was our complete hedging strategy explanation. If you have any questions, query regarding our strategy, if you want to buy our 20 in 1 indicator along with supply and demand indicator, you can ask us. If you want to know the premium services, platinum services and rhodium services, you can ask us on our Telegram channel. Do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you will get latest update, latest offers. During the December's, company is increasing the prices. So if you book your slots before the December, you will gain some. You will have some incentive. You will have some discounts. You will have some offers. So do subscribe to stay connected with us. We will keep updating some strategies and our trading methods. Thank you for being with us. Thank you.